In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Outlook 2025, walking you through a general overview and a tutorial perfect for beginners. Outlook 2025 offers a sleek, updated interface that's designed to resemble a web page. As we delve into this tutorial, you'll see how its clean design makes navigation a breeze. On the left, you'll find the navigation bar. This handy tool lets you effortlessly switch between various features such as Mail, Calendar, People, or Contacts, To Do, and Others. It's your central hub for accessing different sections of Outlook quickly. Once you've selected your desired view, you'll notice the folder pane. This is where all the folders for your chosen account reside. Whether that's your inbox, sent items, drafts, or archives, this pane organizes everything. Next, direct your attention to the message list. Here, all your emails are displayed for easy access, allowing you to simply click on a message to preview or fully open it. And, rather conveniently, Outlook has the reading pane located nearby. This feature lets you peruse the email content without the need to open a new window, saving you time and screen space. Now, should you need to find a specific email, contact, or event, the search bar is your best friend. Located at the top center of Outlook, it enables quick searches so you can locate what you need in record time. For customization, look no further than the settings, easily accessible through the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, you can tweak Outlook to match your personal preferences. Let's talk about sending and receiving emails. To begin, click on New Mail, found at the top left. You'll enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject line and type your message in the main drafting area. The toolbar lets you format your text and insert images or attachments. When you're ready, just hit send, and your email will be on its way. Switching to Calendar is simple. It's right there in the navigation bar. To create a new event, click New Event and add a title, date, time, and don't forget to invite attendees. You can toggle between day, week, and month views for better perspective. If managing contacts is on your agenda, head to People. To add a new contact, click New Contact and enter all necessary information, such as names, emails, and phone numbers, along with any notes. Finally, let's finesse our searching skills. Use the search bar by typing a name, keyword, or date, and employ filters to narrow your results by criteria like sender, subject, attachments, or date. That wraps up our beginner's tutorial on Microsoft Outlook 2025, providing you a solid foundation to navigate and make the most of your Outlook experience. Happy emailing!